जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. We continue reading from the 8th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. We are on chapter 20. Does anyone remember what we read yesterday?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
We read that Shukracharya was very disappointed at his disciple Bali Maharaj for disobeying his order. But Bali Maharaj is already uh, has has love for Krishna already, and he's a pure devotee. He just wants to please the Lord and is ready to give everything to the Lord. All yeah, so that shows that he is a pure devotee and he knows that everything belongs to the Lord, and nothing belongs to him. So it's fine, it's good that he's giving up everything to back to the Lord. And so all the great personalities from the higher planets, they've come and to praise Bali Maharaj, because, yeah, Bali Maharaj. With the Gandharvas, Kinnaras, Chakshas, all of them came and showered millions of flowers on him. So now Vamandev, who has come as a dwarf, then started increasing in size and showed that that everything belongs to him. Like the whole material nature, he showed his Virat roop and showed that like the whole material nature actually all reside on him. So everything actually belongs to him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Okay, let's continue. Text 24. Sandhyam vibhurvasasi guya ekshat
San
सन्ध्यां विभोर्वा ससिकूय एष
prajapatin jaghane atmamukhyan
प्रजापति
प्रजापतिञ्जग्ने आत्ममुख्यान्
आत्ममुख्यान्
nabhyam nabhakukshishu sapta sindhun
नाभ्यां नभःकोशिषु सप्तसिन्धुः
uru kramasyorasi charkshamala
उरूक्रमस्यो पुरस्ति चरिष्माला.
Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Bali Maharaj saw beneath the garments of the Lord, who acts wonderfully, the evening twilight. In the Lord's private parts, he saw the Prajapatis, and in the round portion of the waist, he saw himself with his confidential associates. In the Lord's navel, he saw the sky. On the Lord's waist, he saw the 7 oceans. And on the Lord's bosom, he saw all the clusters of stars. So he's seeing the universal form, he's seeing everything within the Lord. Hridi anga dharmam stanayor murarer
इति अङ्गधर्मं सतनयो मुरारे
ritam cha satyam cha manasi athendum
ऋतं च सत्यं च मनसि अथ इन्दु
Shriyam cha vakshashi arvindahastam
श्रियं च वक्षसि अरविन्दहस्ताम्
कंठे च सामानि समस्तरेफान्
कण्ठे सामानि समस्तरेफान्
इन्द्रप्रधानान् अमरान् भुजेषु
इन्द्रप्रधानान् अमरान् भुजेषु
तत्कर्णयोकाकुबुध्योश्च मूर्ध्नि
तत्कर्णयोकं कुभदोच्च मूर्धनि
केशेषु मेघाञ्छवसनं नासिकायाम्
केषु केशेषु मेघान् श्वसनं नासिकायाम्
अक्ष्णोश्च सूर्यं वदने च वह्निम्
अक्षणो च सूर्यं वदने च वक्षसि
वाण्यां च चन्दां शिरसे जलेशम्
वाण्यां च छन्द्रां शिरसे जलिशम्
भ्रुवोर्निषेदां च विधिं च पक्ष्मसु
भ्रुवोर्निषेधं च विधिं च पक्ष्मसु
अहश्च रात्रिं च परस्य पुंसो
अहश्च रात्रिं च परस्य पुंमयो
मन्युं ललाटे धर एव लोभम्
मन्युं ललाटे अधर एव लोभम्
स्पर्शे च कामं नृपरेतसाम्ब
स्पर्शे च कामं नृपरेत साम्भम्
पृष्ठ पृष्ठे त्व अधर्मं क्रमणेषु यज्ञम्
पृष्ठे तु अर्धर्मं क्रमणेषु यज्ञम्
छायासु मृत्युं हसिते च मायाम्
छायासु मृत्युं हसते च मायाम्
तनोरुहेश ओषधि जातयश्च
तनूरुहेषु औषधिजायश्च
नदीश्च नादेषु शिलानखेषु
नदीश्च नाडीषु शिलानिकेषु
उदाव अजं देवगणान् ऋषिंश्च
बुद्धा अजं देवगणान् ऋषींश्च
प्राणेषु गात्रे स्थिरजङ्गमानि
प्राणेस्तु गात्रे स्थिरजङ्गमानि
सर्वाणि भूतानि ददर्श वीरः
सर्वाणि भूतानि ददर्श वीरः
My dear king, on the heart of Lord Murari he saw religion, on the chest both pleasing words and truthfulness, in the mind the moon, on the bosom the goddess of fortune with a lotus flower in her hand, on the neck all the Vedas and all sound vibrations, on the arms all the demigods headed by King Indra, in both ears all the directions, on the head the upper planetary systems, on the hair the clouds, in the nostrils the wind, on the eyes the sun, and in the mouth fire. From his words came all the Vedic mantras. On his tongue was the demigod of water, Varun Dev. On his eyebrows were the regulative principles, and on his eyelids were day and night. When his eyes were open, it was daytime, and when they were closed, it was night. On his forehead was anger, and on his lips was greed. O king, in his touch were lusty desires, in his semen were all the waters, on his back was irreligion, and in his wonderful activities or steps was the fire of sacrifice. On his shadow was death, in his smile was the illusory energy, and on the hairs of his body were all the drugs and herbs. In his veins were all the rivers, on his nails were all the stones. In his intelligence were Lord Brahma, the demigods, and the great saintly persons, and throughout his entire body and senses were all living entities, moving and stationary. Bali Maharaj thus saw everything in the gigantic body of the Lord. So he's seeing the universal form of the Lord. We had heard in the second canto, third canto, about the universal form, how everything is in the body of the form. I'm sorry, in the body of the Lord. There's nothing that does not belong to the Lord. Let's read a few things of this verses. So where was religion?
On the heart of
Heart was religion. Yeah. And truthfulness and pleasing words.
in the mind.
And no, that's on the chest.
No, in our chest. Sorry.
Yes,
Yeah.
On the chest. And what's in the mind?
The moon.
Yeah. Like, the moon controls the mind, right? They say, right? The moods get affected by the direction of the moon. Okay.
Mm,
On the bosom,
the goodness of fortune.
the goddess of fortune.
The
Yeah.
goddess of fortune. Yeah.
Yeah. Lakshmi Devi is always with him. And what is she holding?
Lotus flower.
Lotus flower. Where are all the Vedas and all the sound vibrations?
On the arms.
On the neck. On the neck.
Oh, I'm going. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. On the neck, all the Vedas and all sound vibrations was there.
Yes.
And what was on the arms?
All the demigods.
Demigods. Yeah.
The
So we can see that, with the sound, with the neck, the sound is coming. On his bosom, Lakshmi Devi is always there. The demigods are his arms. He's administrating the universe with the demigods, right? And where are the directions?
on the direction. On the head.
In both the ears.
Ayuh.
Yeah, in the ears, all the directions are there. The directions are controlled in the ears. The small crystals, the tiny crystals, they help us keep the balance. If the crystal moves a bit, the balance is gone, and then you have vertigo. The whole world is moving around. Yeah, so we can see that how all the directions, controlled by the ears of the Supreme Lord. And what's on the head?
The upper planetary systems.
Yeah, upper planetary systems. So, and the hair, what is the hair of the Lord?
The
Hair.
clouds.
Clouds.
Clouds, yeah, the clouds are the hair. We look at the clouds every day in the sky. In the universal form of the Lord, this is the hair on the head of the Lord. And then the nostrils, what do they have?
Air.
The nostrils have the wind.
The wind.
Yeah,
Wind.
wind. What about the eyes?
Sun.
Sun, yeah, Surya, that's right. And the sun is the eye of the Lord, right? The sun is seeing everything. And where's the fire?
Mouth.
Mouth. Yeah. Like how with the yagya, the fire is supposed to be the mouth of the Lord. All the offerings are put into the mouth of the Lord. And where is all the Vedic mantras coming from?
His words.
His words. Yeah, he's speaking all these Vedic mantras. That's where the Vedic mantras are coming from, by the speaking of the Lord. And where is the demigod of water?
His tongue.
His tongue. Yeah, yeah. So what about the eyebrows?
The
Day and night.
regulative principles.
Regulative principles. That's right. Regulative principles. And eyelids?
Day and night.
And night.
Day and night. Yeah. So when the eyes are open, it's daytime. Eyes are closed, it's night. What about his forehead?
Anger.
Anger. Yeah.
Anger.
Forehead is anger. And what about greed? Where's greed?
Lips.
Lips. So we can see anger and greed is also there in the Lord. There's nothing that's not in the Lord. What about lusty desires?
His touch.
Touch. Yeah. His touch has the lusty desires. What about his semen?
All the waters.
Waters. Yeah. Water is the semen of the Lord. Okay, what about irreligion? Where is
So you
irreligion?
mean the ocean and everything, huh? Those.
Ocean is specifically we heard was the navel, you know? Navel was the ocean, and then rivers are the veins of his body, but this is like all the water. Water in general is the semen. Where are we? Yeah, all the waters. So any water basically would mean that's the semen of the Lord. And irreligion?
His back.
Yeah. Irreligion is also there. It's at the back of the Lord. And in his wonderful activities or steps was the fire of sacrifice. Fire of sacrifice in his wonderful activities or steps. Okay. Well, what's in his shadow?
Death.
Death.
His smile?
Um, the illusory energy.
Illusory
Mind.
energy. Yeah. Where are all the drugs and herbs coming from? Where do they stand in the universal body?
Hairs. His hairs.
Hairs of the body. So the hair on the head, that is the clouds. The hair on the body, that's all the drugs and herbs. And the veins?
Rivers and nails.
Rivers. Rivers. Veins are the rivers. What about the nails?
Stone.
Stones. Stones. We see so many stones, huh? So that's the nails of the universal form. Then what about his intelligence?
Lord Brahma.
Adi and demigods.
Yeah, Lord
Lord
Brahma,
Brahma.
demigods, and the sadhus, the great saintly persons. And throughout his entire body and senses were all living entities, moving and stationary. Right? So each and every one of us, all the jivas, in the body of the Lord. So Bali Maharaj is seeing everything. Sarvat manidam bhuvanam nirikshya
सर्वात्मनीदं भुवनं नरीक्ष्य
Sarve Surakashmalam Apuranga
सर्वे सुराकाशमलां पुरङ्ग
Sudarshanam Chakram Asayatejo
सुदर्शनं चक्रमसहाय तेजो
Dhanuschasharangam Stanayit Nugosham
धनुश्च शङ्खं स्तनयेत्नुघोषम्.
O king, when all the demons, the followers of Bali Maharaj, saw the universal form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who held everything within his body, when they saw in the Lord's hand his disc, known as the Sudarshan Chakra, which generates intolerable heat, and when they heard the tumultuous sound of his bow, all these caused lamentation within their hearts. So these are the demons. They are like, oh my God, this is Lord Vishnu. They're seeing the Sudarshan Chakra in his hand.
So the demons also could see, huh? His
Yes.
universal form.
Yeah, seems like that, huh? See, the demons are seeing. So they're not happy to see this. They're not happy to see the universal form of the Lord. They're afraid of the Sudarshan Chakra. Parjanya Gosho Jalaja Panchajanya
पर्जन्यघोषो जलचः पञ्चजन्यः
Kaumodaki Vishnu Gada Tarasvini
कौमोदगी विष्णुगदातरस्विनी
Vidyadharo Se Shatachandra Yuktas
विद्याधरोऽतीः शतचन्द्रयुक्तस्
Tunotama Akshaya Sayakaucha
स्तुणोतमावक्षतया कोश्च.
The Lord's conch shell named Panchajanya, which made sounds like that of a cloud. The very forceful club named Kaumudaki. The sword named Vidyadhara, with a shield decorated with hundreds of moon-like spots. And also Akshaya Sayaka, the best of quivers. All of these appear together to offer prayers to the Lord. So what is the Lord's conch shell called?
Panchajanya.
Yeah. And how does it sound like?
Makes the sound of like a cloud.
Yeah, sounds like cloud. Yeah? Elsewhere we have heard that Krishna sounds also when his voice sounds like thundercloud. Yeah. Elsewhere we have heard that. So his conch shell is also sounding like clouds.
Yeah, even we heard in Bhagavad Gita, na, when they all, in the first chapter,
Uh-huh.
is it the first or second, that they
Panchajanya,
all
right?
started, playing their sound, playing the conch shell, blowing the conch shell.
Yeah.
So each of them,
Yeah.
like Bhim, even right, Arjuna, all of
Yeah.
them,
And they all
one
had
by
their
one.
own conch shell. They all had different names for
Oh,
their conch shells,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
And what is the club? Vishnu's club, what is it called?
Kaumudaki.
Kaumudaki. Yeah. And his sword?
Vidyadhara.
What about the shield? Uh,
Oh, it
no,
is
I'm sorry. The shield
a
doesn't have a
shield.
name. The quiver has a name.
Akshaya Sayaka.
Yeah, that's the name of the quiver. The shield has a lot of hundreds of moon-like spots. So round spots. And he has a quiver. Akshaya Syam Yaka.
So, Shilpa ji,
Mhm.
here again, the association important shows like Prahlad Maharaj and Bali Maharaj, they were, Mahajan devotees, pure devotees. So the other demons and their association were able to see Lord's universal form, which is not easy for anybody
Yeah,
to see.
I was thinking the same. I said, see,
Yeah,
na,
because
also
it's
start
not
getting to
it's not
see.
a normal thing. It's
Not a
not a
normal.
normal thing. Like even we remember like what Arjuna saw, then he was given special eyes to
Specialized. Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
Like Sanjay was,
It's
yeah.
not a like
Right?
because we heard that Krishna himself said that Arjuna, it is not possible to see for anybody, for a normal person. I'm giving you special eyes, chakshusha. I'm giving you that. So that means that this is so they were so even they were demons, but because they had the association, so it was so glorious for them also to see this part of Lord. It's not easy.
Yeah, it's true.
Because there on the battlefield, not everyone got to see, right? When
Yeah.
Arjuna saw,
Yeah.
yeah,
That's right.
Kurukshetra.
That's right. Yeah. Here
Imagine they are
it's,
blessed.
yeah. Of course, they
I
are
think
afraid,
they
but
are afraid, but
yeah, they are
at
afraid,
this,
but they're able to see. Yeah. What
so
will
they will
happen
be
if we were
delivered,
to
no?
see? Huh?
They'll be delivered, right? Like,
They'll be delivered. Yeah. They're seeing the form of the Lord.
yeah.
Yeah. That's right. Sunanda Mukhya Upatasthur Isham
Sunand Mukhya Upatastu Isham
Parshada Mukhya Sahalo Kapalaha
Parshad Mukhya Salokapalaha
Swarat Kiritangadamina Kundalaha
Purugiritam Tadamina Kundalaha
Shrivat Saratno Tamame Kalambare
Shrivatsnaratnottamamekla Ambare
Madhuvrita Sarg Vanamalaya Vrato
Madhuvrita
Raraja Bhagavan Urukramaha
Raraj
Rajarajan
Bhagwan
Bhagavan
Ram
Urukramaha
Shitim Padekena Baler Vichakrame
Shittim Pada Bhale Chakrame
Nabha Sharirena Dishascha Bahubi.
Nabha Sharire Nadisha Bahubi.
These associates, headed by Sunanda and other chief associates, and accompanied by all the predominating deities of the various planets, offered prayers to the Lord, who wore a brilliant helmet, bracelets, and glittering earrings that resembled fish. On the Lord's bosom were the lock of hair called Srivatsa and the transcendental jewel named Kaustuba. He wore a yellow garment covered by a belt, and he was decorated by a flower garland surrounded by bees. Manifesting himself in this way, O King, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, whose activities are wonderful, covered the entire surface of the earth with one footstep, the sky with his body, and all directions with his arms. One might argue, since Bali Maharaj promised Vamandev only the land occupied by his steps, why did Lord Vamandev occupy the sky also? In this regard, Srila Jiva Goswami says that the steps include everything downward and upward. When one stands up, he certainly occupies certain parts of the sky and certain portions of the earth below his feet. Thus, there was nothing uncommon for the Supreme Personality of Godhead when he occupied the entire sky with his body. So, with his step, he's covering the earth, right? But with his body, he has covered the sky. So somebody may say that only the step he is asked for. Now why he should take the sky and all the directions? So Jiva Goswami is saying, when we also standing, we are also occupying some space, right, of the sky. It's just a natural thing. So here, Lord Vamandev, he's expanded himself to cover the entire earth and the skies. And here's a beautiful description of his. Yeah. And then Sunanda is also here. These associates headed by Sunanda, it's mentioned. So the Lord's chief associates are also there with him. And predominating deities of the various planets. So, like the sun god, moon god, all the deities of the planets, they are also there. And what are they doing?
They offer prayers.
Yeah,
You
they're
know.
offering prayers to the Lord.
And
So
observing this beautiful, right?
yeah,
Because they also want to be part of it. So they're observing this beautiful form of Lord.
yeah, and they're offering prayers.
Prayers, yeah.
So we hear that in so many of this, like when he came to save Gajendra also, all the demigods were offering prayers, his associates are coming with him, you know, and then we always hear that he's wearing, let's see what he is wearing. He has his helmet and bracelets. What are his earrings resembling?
Fish,
Fish, yeah.
glittering earrings with resembled
Shark-shaped
fish. Yeah,
earrings, we say, right? That he wears shark-shaped earrings.
yeah, shark shaped.
Yeah, resembles fish. And what's the Srivatsa?
A lock of hair. I didn't know that. I thought it was just like a
But it's a
line.
line. It's a
Huh?
line with a
With
lock of
lock
hair.
of hair. Huh?
It's a
Yes.
line with a lock of
Some
hair, right?
say some
Like
say
we
it's
see
like
now.
a some say
Mm.
it's like kind of a curling hair, a lock of curling hair. Some say it's like
Yeah, golden.
a line of silver hair. But
Okay.
anyway, this is Lakshmi Devi.
Nice.
Hmm.
Mm.
Srivatsa is Lakshmi Devi. And what is his special jewel called?
Kostuba.
Kaustuba jewel.
Money.
Yeah. And is what's the color of his garment, his clothes?
Yellow.
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 Yellow. And he's wearing a
Covered by a
belt
belt.
also. What is
Mm.
special about the flower garland?
So fragrant. I mean,
It's
the
always
bees
surrounded by bees and it
surrounded
never
by
murjhate nahi hai wo kabhi bhi. It's
Yeah.
like always fresh.
Yeah, the bees are going mad. It's so
Hmm.
fragrant. The bees go crazy. They keep humming around it. They want to get the honey from the flowers. So,
So they just spoke about the first step, right? The footstep of
yeah.
Vamadeva,
Yeah,
right?
with one step he's covered the
One step
earth.
we covered the entire earth, right? The
Yeah.
sky also. It is
And the
gone.
sky he's covered. With the arms
Mm.
he's covered the directions. Okay, now. Padam dvitiyam kramatastrivishtapam
Padam duitam kramatasti vishtapam
nave tritiyaya tadiyam anav api.
न वै तृतीयाय तदीयकम् अणुपि
Guru Kramasya Parito
उरुक्रमस्य अङ्गीरुपरि उपरि अथो
Maharjanabhyam Tapasa Param Gata.
महर्जनाभ्यां तपसा परं गतः.
As the Lord took his second step, he covered the heavenly planets, and not even a spot remained for the third step. For the Lord's foot extended higher and higher beyond Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok, and even Satyalok. So, with the second step, he's covering the Swarglok, Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok, Brahmalok. Everything is going in the second step. When the Lord's footstep exceeded the height of all the lokas, including Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok, and Satyalok, his nail certainly pierced the covering of the universe. The universe is covered by the five material elements, Bhumi, Rapo, Nalo, Vayu, Kham. As stated in the Shastra, these elements are in layers, each 10 times thicker than the previous one. Nonetheless, the nails of the Lord pierced through all these layers and made a hole, penetrating into the spiritual world. From this hole, the water of the Ganges infiltrated into this material world, and therefore it is said, Padanaka Nira Janita Jana Pavana, Dashavatar Stotra 5. Because the Lord kicked a hole in the covering of the universe, the water of the Ganges came into this material world to deliver all the fallen souls. Thus, in the Bhaktivedanta purports of the 8th canto, 20th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled, Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. So, with the first step, the Lord covered the earth, the sky, the directions. With the second step, he's covered Svarglok, Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok, Satyalok. Satyalok is Brahmalok. And so he's covered everything. And it's reached to the boundary of the universe that his nail is scratched the layers of the universe, although they are so thick, the 5 layers of earth, water, sky, air, ether, each is 10 times greater. And it's pierced through these. And the water of the causal ocean is coming inside. Yeah, the water of the causal ocean where Mahavishnu is lying down, that's coming inside. That's how Ganga Devi comes to the earth, comes into this universe. She comes into this universe, washing the lotus feet of the Lord. Is that okay? Comments?
They're not told that the third step he puts on Bali Maharaj's head.
That'll be coming now in the next chapter. That'll come. The Lord will ask him, right? What do you want to do? Where will I keep the other step now? Yeah, so that will come
Like, you know how
later.
beautiful name of the next chapter. In Hindi, it is like, कि श्री भगवान द्वारा बलि महाराज को बंदी बनाया जाना. So like
Arrested. Okay.
he's arrested by Lord. Like,
Yeah.
so every chapter has so beautiful names and the description. You are in just raw and reverence. Nothing like, you don't, your mind is just stuck in that beauty and the story that, wow, you're just thinking in your
So
own head.
wondrous, no?
Yeah, it is like, wow.
Yeah.
So good.
It's
So
in
good.
everything is in the body of the Lord.
Yeah,
Nothing.
just now we were hearing, right? Everything
Uh,
is in the body of the Lord. Everything is there. Yeah. Okay. Shivamandi Bhagavan ki jai.
की
जय
जय।
भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद
जय
की जय, गौर
जय
भक्त की जय। हरे
जय